Hello superstars, it's AB Forex here again. Welcome to another tutorial video on my trading strategy. In this video I will be showing you guys on how to trade volatility 75 index using the 5-minute time frame. Trading volatility 75 index needs a lot of patience, dedication, and it need you to stick to your strategy. Doing that, you have a very good result trading volatility 75. So with that being said, let's get into our charts and see how we can analyze the market together. Okay guys, here we are on our chart. So how does this work? It's very simple. I've been using this strategy for some time now, and it's working. It's really working. We have used it to make a lot of money. We have used it to grow an account of $50 to $200, and we are still growing the account. So with that being said, the only thing I can tell you is stick to this video. Just go through it, don't skip any part of this video so that you will not miss anything I will be saying. Yes, this video will be so impactful, and I can just tell you guys to watch it from the beginning to the end so that you will not miss any part of it. So this is how it works. We use the 1 hour time frame to look at the direction of the market, where the market is heading to. We use 30-minute time frame to confirm, and we use 5-minute time frame to execute our trade. So this is what I mean. Let's go to our 1 minute to see the direction of the market. From what the market is doing here, the market was consolidating before a breakout. This is what I mean. Let me bring out my lines so that you see what I mean. Now this is what the market was doing. The market was in a ranging way. It was in a sideways market. It was moving sideways. You can see we just had a breakout from here. This is where we got the breakout. This is where the market breakout from the channel, the sideways channel. So we have two types of breakouts. We have the direct breakout, that it will just break out and move at once, and we have a breakout that it will just break and then retest. So from my past experience, I prefer you to trade a breakout that comes with a retest, because it will make it to be in a safer side in the market than you trading the breakout that just go direct. Sometimes the market moves that way, but no, if you want to stick to this strategy, you need to wait for a retest. If you don't see a retest, don't trade. Very simple. If you don't see a retest, don't trade. But once you can identify and see a retest, you can then execute your trade. So after drawing your channel in the 1 hour time frame, now you can clearly see that this market was in a sideways movement. Yes, and then you saw the breakout. It broke out from the channel. Now we can then move to the 30-minute time frame to see what is happening. It's nothing more different than the 1 hour time frame. So we now move to the lower time frame, which is 15 minutes, to see what is happening. You can clearly see that this market was in a sideways form. You can see this market was moving in a sideways form. Can you see that? So if you don't know how to trade and you decide to be taking trade randomly, I can assure you that you will lose a lot of money in this area. If you are not patient, you will lose a lot of money in this area. Yes, but if as an experienced trader, you first allow the market to range, you draw your channels and wait for a breakout that will come with a retest before executing the trade. You can see what we had there. You can see the breakout the market did and the retest. So now, how do we take trade? You move to your 5-minute time frame. You can clearly see that this market broke out from this channel on the 5-minute time frame. It broke out and it formed price action. What I mean by price action is the market made head and shoulder. This is what I mean. This is the head and this is the shoulder. 1, 2, and this is the neck. Can you see? Now, from what I have done here, there's no way that I can just rush into this market, because now I have a clue of what I'm doing in the market now. You understand? I have a clue of what I'm doing in the market. I can never rush into this market because I've analyzed this market and I've broken down this market to my own understanding. So now I can clearly tell you that entering this market, I will enter with confidence. Even if I lose in this market, if I see opportunity like this, if I take like 3 opportunity like this, not less than, I will have 2 correct entry. Yes, I can lose 1 trade, then my 2 trade will go on my own way, which I will be in a very big profit. So what am I trying to say is that if you know what you are doing in the market, trust me, you'll be confident trading volatility 75 without any fear. Now, what am I looking at this market now? What am I looking for? I'm looking for it to come and retest. I'm waiting for a retest. I need a retest here to the neckline. I need a retest to the neckline. Then a move down. Can you see what I've done there? It's very, very simple. Now, that's why I said that if you have patience, you really win trading volatility 75. You make money, because now you need to wait for this market to head to retest on the neckline before executing your trade. If I enter this trade this way, it is not in a safe side. And how will I even place my stop loss? No, there is no way, because I'm just taking the trade. Let me just take it. I don't have that kind of patience for me to wait for the market. No. You have to have that patience for it to retest, so that you can be in a safer side. Once this market retests the neckline, you place your stop loss above the neckline. You place your stop loss above the neckline. Can you see? Above this. From there, you see that your risk to reward ratio is not less than 1:10. You are not even risking much of your equity. Even if the market hits your stop loss, it won't even affect your equity that bigger. So now, what are we looking for this market now? What are we looking at? We are waiting for a retest of this before we can execute our trade. So guys, let me look for another setup. Wow. Let me look for another setup. Let's go to the 30-minute time frame. 30-minute time frame. 30-minute time frame. Okay. Now, the next thing I can assume that we look for trading volatility 75 is the M pattern. Is the double top. The double top, let me, you see volatility 75. There's nothing encouraging, like there's nothing controlling this market. The only thing you can use in trading successfully is trading price action, which is head and shoulder, double bottom, double top. Those price, you can go to my previous video and see and learn about price action. Like what we had here was a double top. Now, trading a double top, this is how I take trading a double top. If I can spot a double top forming in my chart, I will only wait for a breakout of the neckline. This is the neck. This is the neck. This is the neck. So I'm only waiting to see a breakout of this neckline. Once the market breaks and retests, that is where I can execute my trade. Now this is what I mean. You can see from this axis that this market broke out from here. It broke out from here and closed below it. It went again to retest the head of the double bottom, and then if you are taking this trade, you'll be in a safer side because your stop loss will be above the retest. And look at your profits, and you see how the market moves. Can you see? So guys, trading volatility 75 needs patience. That is the only thing I can tell, because from my past experience I've been trading this pair, and I can tell you that trading it with price action really helps, because it will allow you to enter the market with confidence. You will enter the market with confidence and you will not risk much of your account. But if you are taking trade randomly, trust me guys, you lose money from the market. You lose a lot of money from the market. Now this is another pattern forming. This is another M. Can you see? This is another M forming here. Let me make it clear so that you can understand. So you can see from, let me spot out the M pattern again so that you see the double bottom. Can you see it? And this is the neckline. So the market broke out from this neckline. It broke out from this neckline. It broke out from here and did a retest. You can see that if you are entering the market from here and your stop loss is above the retest, you'll be in a lot of profit. You can see how the market moves. Can you see? From there down to this axis, to this support. So guys, trading volatility 75 needs dedication. One, stick to your strategy, stick to your plan, trading plan, and don't take trade randomly. Once you see your setup, you wait for the pattern to form.